Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, a drawing device and an app. Begin by creating a 2000 x 2000 px canvas at 300 dpi so you have room to crop. Once done, set up 3 layers labeled Sketch, Linear, and Color. Make the sketch semi-transparent. You will sketch rough shapes now. Focus on large forms, not details. Use a soft brush at 30% opacity to block in values. Make sure to save a versioned file immediately so edits stay reversible. You refine by turning that loose sketch into readable shapes. Start clean linear on a new layer using a steady brush and varying stroke weight. This clarifies forms. Once linear is set, block and base colors on layers beneath and use clipping masks to avoid paint spill. Next, establish values. Add shadows with a multiply layer and highlights on an overlay layer. Use soft brushes at 20 to 40% opacity for gradual transitions. Make sure to step back and toggle layers to check balance. You are in the final pass. Enhance edges, add subtle texture, and sharpen the focal area. Use an overlay or color balance adjustment to unify tones, then add tiny highlights and rim light to guide the eye. Once done, flatten a copy for export but keep layered source files. If something looks off, first try a layer mask to non-destructively correct it. If that fails, step back in history or reduce contrast slightly. Make sure to export at 1x and a web-optimized copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.